Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to recover deleted emails from Hotmail account. Let's begin. First, I want you to go to the Outlook login page, click on sign in over here, and enter your email and password to access your inbox. Once you've successfully logged in, I want you to go onto the left panel over here, okay? Click on the deleted items folder right over here. If the email you want is there, simply move it back to your inbox or another folder. Let me show you. I'm going to delete this, go to the deleted items folder, and over here, I can easily select this, okay? And I'll have the option to restore this back to my inbox, okay? And now it's now there, quick and easy. Now, if it's not on deleted items over here, scroll down and click on Recover Items Deleted from this folder. Select the email you want and click Recover. Outlook keeps these for up to 30 days at least. All right. And that's it. You've successfully recovered your deleted emails in Hotmail. Just remember to act quickly since older emails may be permanently removed. I hope you found this video very helpful.